don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
It's AminaJawhara here. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I did that. Today we're going to be talking about Brandon Blackwood. Now before I get started, I do not want to seem like I'm bashing. Before I get into this video, I don't want to make it seem like I'm bashing him because you will see I stand. By this video you will know I stand. But I just gotta tell what my experience was. Like, this is my story. A true ghetto story. It's not that ghetto. So, let's get into it. May 10th, Brandon Blackwood had the girls shook. He dropped the catalog, he dropped the pre-sale for the bags, and the girls were shook. It's me, I'm the girls. I was shook. Like, the options, like the colors, like you wanted me to just get one bag. Like, bro, come on. Like, you knew I was gonna get one bag. You knew I had to get more than one bag. I got 2 bags, and I really wanted more, but I had to, you know, I had to keep it cute because I'm like, you know, I'm gonna wait for his fall collection, because when that fall collection dropped. So the bags dropped May 10th. I ordered my bag May 10th. I ordered 2 bags. I ordered a trunk, and I ordered a, is it called a camel bag? Don't quote me. Camel bucket? Don't quote me. But yeah, so I ordered that bag, and they said that you would get your bag by, I think, the end of June. I don't remember the specific date, but I believe it was the end of June. So the end of June comes, and I was like, I'm seeing everybody getting their bags. One of my friends got her bag. She got her bag before me, and she ordered it after me. So I felt like she was working for the FBI, and that was the only way she got her bag before me. But after I calmed myself down, I was like, you know, I'm gonna give it some time, whatever. You know, black business, you know, sometimes and that's what people have to remember, that it's easier for other groups of people to get things done than it is black people. That's just the tea. We gotta pay more for things when we get into business, and that's just the reality. So I was like, I'm gonna be patient. But I'm seeing everybody in the comments blackened, and I'm like, yeah, like, where's my bag? So then he basically put out a statement saying, you know, that some of the bags were stuck in customs, and that's why a lot of people didn't have their bags. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's understandable. So then he created a customer service page, and he said you contact the customer service page if you want to know more details about your order. So what you think I did? Hello, hi, feeling for my bag, where is it? So when I contacted customer service, they were pretty quick with their response, and they pretty much told me that one of my bags was here but the other one wasn't. So they were just gonna wait to ship both of them, but then they gave me the option to get one at a time. So I was like, I'll take one at a time. Like, I'm not, listen, I just need one. I just need one of them. So my bag finally came July 20th, my bucket bag. And when I tell you, I have worn this bag down already. I have worn this bag down already. I'm gonna show it to y'all, but don't judge, because I have worn it down. So it's a little bit, you know. But this is my boo, the camel. I need to get the name right. I feel like it's the camel bucket bag. If I'm wrong, please drag me in the comments. Do it. But this is the bag. It's so adorable. Like, it's just so dainty. I have 0 complaints about this bag, like 0. Like, I feel like the quality is good. You know, I love the gold. Can you see it? You don't want them to see it? You being rude? It's fine. But I love the gold, like, what's the word? The metal, I guess, on it. Yeah, I have 0 complaints. I thought it was bigger from the pictures, but I actually like it better in this bag because I can still fit enough in here. Like, I really don't like carrying a bunch of stuff anyway, but as long as I can fit my phone, my lip gloss, my wallet, and my you know what it is, you know, then I'm okay. And my charger if I really feel like being responsible. Yeah, I can fit that all in here. And my favorite thing about, I think, all his bags is, but at least most of them come with the strap. Like, I could switch it up on you. I could go across the body, or I could go, whoop, you know. So that's why I like this bag, because I can choose what I want. I can take this off, put it on, whatever I feel like giving the girls that day, I can give the girls. So yes, this bag, 10 out of 10, zero complaints. Like zero complaints. Like I want to get the other colors. So yes, again, zero complaints on the bag. I keep saying that, zero complaints on the bag. Zero. So after that, on the 28th of July, y'all asked him. Ask you for your guidance, especially today. Whew. Okay, before I start going into gospel, bring that. Woo. Alright, so yes, I got this bag on the 28th. Let me show y'all. I got the black denim trunk. Oh, y'all wasn't expecting that. Hello, hi. Yeah, she's here. Yeah, she didn't come to play. Yeah, she's here. Do I need to really say much? Like, oh, okay. Like, okay. The gold, I love gold. I don't know if you could tell, but I love gold. Like, I'm really not a silver girl. I don't like silver metal really on anything. You know, I have a few silver like jewelry pieces that I wear sometimes, but I'm really more of a gold girl. Living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden, living my life like it's golden. It really matters to me. Living my life like it's golden, golden. Y'all, okay. I'm back.
Okay.
I love this bag because I feel like it's very spacious. I could fit the same things I could fit in that bag. Like, I'm really not someone that carries big bags unless I'm like want to carry my laptop, which is very rare because why do I want to carry my laptop outside? What I don't really like, and it's just because I'm a little slow, like opening this. Like, it's a little hard, especially I feel like when I'm trying not to break a nail or peel my nails if I have gel on. Like when I first got it, I had to call one of my friends like, hey girl, how you open this? But yes, I still 10 out of 10 have no complaints about this bag. And it also comes with a strap too. Like I could like giving the girls like diversity. I didn't even wear this bag yet. Like it still has this on it because I'm like, when I wear this bag, I really gotta wear this bag. Like Brandon, you are my superhero. Like all heroes do not wear capes. Some of them make bags. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. So to go back to like, you know, how I got my bags and customer service and stuff, he did say that for his next release he's not gonna do a pre-sale, which I completely understand because like it was a lot going on this time around, so I can understand wanting to, you know, do things better. I get wanting everybody to have their bag and doing their pre-sale because you want everybody to have an option to get the bag, but it just, you know, it didn't work. And it's business. Like you live and you learn when it comes to doing business or anything in life really. So, you know, we'll see how this next drop goes. Just from the little things he dropped, I'm like, yo, you like, no, like if you ever see this video, Brandon Blackwood, do you want my like account number? Because I don't really mind giving it to you because at this point it's like you just want all of my money. So to make it easier for both of us, I think maybe I should make a separate account, like, and you could just have the info for that account and just take it, like just take it, because at this point you want all of my money. You want all of it, and like you're giving the girls diversity. I love that for you. We love that for you. You're from New York, like hello?
Cause y'all must have forgot where I'm from though. Okay. New York.
Like that, hello. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you'll get a Brandon Blackwood bag, because if you don't, you're a bum. I'm joking. I'm so joking. But you should get one. Like, why not? There's so many options. There has to be one that fits your style. At least one. Like, you need to get one. Even if it's just a wallet, get one. Support. Support. If you do have one, comment which one you have below. If you don't have one but you want one, comment which one was your favorite. And if you've seen the new release, comment and tell me like what you think. Cause he didn't drop the full thing, but he dropped a few bags, and I'm like, so yes, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Get into my music below, my singing covers below. I'm just trying to end the video. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.